Hi, and welcome back to the Vermont Division of Fire Safety's YouTube channel. I'm Chief Pat McLaughlin for the Vermont State Hazmat Team. This month we'll be talking about heating safety as well as CO alarms and how CO alarms can protect you from the silent killer of carbon monoxide. We'll be joined this month by Brattleboro Fire Department. If you haven't already, remember to like and subscribe so you know when we post content to this YouTube channel.
Hi, and welcome to the Division of Fire Safety's YouTube channel. We're here today at the Brattleboro Fire Department with firefighter Kip, and we are going to talk about CO safety in the home, heating safety, and generator safety. Thanks for having us here at your station. What are some things that the public should know about CO?
Well, first, thanks for coming down. Some things that the public should know about CO is it's colorless, odorless, and tasteless, and it's invisible. So you wouldn't be able to detect it without a detector. So that's why it's super important to make sure you have proper CO detectors installed in your apartment or home.
So when we have our alarm, where's the best place for us to install these?
The best place to install them is anywhere where you have a heating element, such as a fireplace or even a stove, anything that's going to create CO. Also in the vicinity of a bedroom, and then you should have an extra one in the bedroom if you have a heating element in that bedroom.
When it comes to apartment buildings, you need to have one installed in your unit, and it needs to be per the code for the state of Vermont, as well as being installed by a licensed master electrician. So as much as we enjoyed the summer, winter is coming, and that means that we need to start heating our homes. Last year, 60% of fires were caused by heating appliance issues. That is second to the national average of cooking fires. So we're going to learn a little bit of how to properly have space heaters in our home without causing any issues.
So for your space heater in your home, you want to make sure that it has tip over protection. So if it does happen to tip over, it's not going to keep running and catch something on fire. You also want it for 3 feet from any combustible objects to make sure that it doesn't ignite them. Also, don't stack anything on your space heater. You also want to make sure you plug it directly into the wall. Don't use extension cords or power strips. Make sure it's plugged directly into the wall.
Next, we're going to talk about vented versus unvented heating systems. In the state of Vermont, unvented heating systems are non-code compliant in a public space. That includes apartment building. You will have to have a vented heating unit in order to be code compliant, because unvented units will still emit CO into the residence without you being aware. Now next, let's go talk about when the power goes out and using generators. So, firefighter Kip is going to demonstrate how we use a generator properly when the power goes out at our home.
So one of the biggest things is you most likely store your generator in your garage. You want to remove the generator from the garage, bring it outside, at least 50 feet or per the label on the generator. You want to make sure that the exhaust is pointed away from any openings of your home, any basement windows, any fresh air intakes, because the generator will produce CO and you don't want that being plumbed into your house, spreading it around.
And also, just to point out, there is a label on most generators that tell you the proper place to put your generator when you're using them at home. And with that, thank you for hosting us down here at Brattleboro Fire, and I want everybody out there to have a safe heating season this year.
Special thanks to the Brattleboro Fire Department for having us down at the Brattleboro Fire Station for this video. Last year, Vermont's fire departments responded to 313 CO alarms. Did you know nationally, over 710 people died, unfortunately, of CO? And the vast majority of those fatalities were a result of improper use of generators.
To prevent these hazards from happening, make sure you use your generator outside and with proper venting.
Never ignore an alarming CO alarm. It's warning you of a potential hazard that you can't see, taste, or smell. So get outside to fresh air immediately and call 911.
And remember, working smoke and CO alarms save lives.